Now, another question some people end up getting is how do you fix your Amazon Kindle if it's not charging? Let's say you're going through and plugging in the charger on your Kindle, but for some reason your Kindle is just not charging no matter what you do. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through, just make sure that your Kindle and your charger are perfectly set up. So making sure you're getting the proper charger for your Kindle. If it's a USB-C port, make sure you're plugging in USB-C. The other thing, making sure that your charger is properly plugged into your device. So go through, make sure your Kindle is properly plugged into your device. That's another big thing I'd recommend kind of doing because that's also going to be something that's very, very big. So make sure these things are properly plugged in, that there's not any issues there either. So that's another really, really big thing there as well. Now, on top of that, another big thing is to make sure that your Kindle is properly plugged in. You can check the indicator light as well. So when you plug in your charger, sometimes there can be a little indicator light at the bottom. If it shows that it's orange, that would mean that it is actually charging. Now, if it's not charging at all, you might want to switch out your charger and your power brick. So go through, try plugging in a different type of charger or a different type of power brick. And that could also be another one of those things that could probably end up fixing your situation as well. So those are kind of the main things there.